Welcome. In this video, we're diving into how to increase motion on the X, formerly known as Twitter, app on your PC after the latest update. If your animations or transitions on X look static or a bit dull lately, don't worry. It's likely just a simple setting that needs adjusting. Let's walk through it step by step so you can bring back that smooth, dynamic feel to your experience. First things first, open the X app on your computer. Make sure you're signed into your account so you can access all your personal settings. Once the app is open, head over to the main menu. To do that, click on the option labeled More. You'll find it on the left side of your screen, right under your profile icon. Next, from the menu that appears, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all the customization and control options live. From here, click on Accessibility, Display, and Languages. It might sound like a lot, but this is exactly where you'll find the visual tweaks you're looking for. Once inside that section, click on Accessibility. This is the place where you can fine-tune how motion and visual effects behave within the app. Now look for the option that says Reduce Motion. If this box is checked, it means that animations and transitions are being minimized, which can make the app feel less lively. To bring movement back, simply uncheck that box. As soon as you do this, the app will immediately feel more dynamic. When you scroll through posts or switch between pages, you'll notice smoother transitions and more fluid animations. It's a small change, but it can make a big difference in your overall experience. That's all you need to do. With this quick setting adjustment, the X app will once again look and feel exactly the way you want: fast, smooth, and visually engaging. Give it a try and see how much better your feed feels in motion. Thanks for watching.